How to buy GOKU AI token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research, and also there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token, and make sure to check the Telegram channel too. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created just 1 hour ago. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's meaning investment in a safe place. This token trending number 3 right now in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token is easy and simple. Just click here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet for that. Now click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, select provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap. And after that, you will be able to redact the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face an issue, go back to this page, and from here, switch the slip page or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slip page. And after that, you can go and buy this token. So this is how to buy GOKU AI token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.